Welcome. If you want to create multiple Instagram accounts using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps so you can easily manage more than one account, all from your desktop. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it loads, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. Click on the option labeled More. This will open up a few additional choices for you. Next, if you're already logged into an account, you'll notice an option to log in. Click on Login. If you're not logged in yet, you can skip this step. Now, look for the Sign Up button. Click on it to start creating a new account. You'll be prompted to fill in several fields, such as your email address or phone number, full name, username, and password. Take your time to enter the correct information for each field. Once you've filled everything out, click on Sign Up. Instagram might ask you to verify your email or phone number, so make sure to complete any verification steps if prompted. Congratulations! You've just created a new Instagram account. If you want to create another account, simply repeat these steps. Open the Instagram app, go to the left side menu, click on More, then Log In, and again Sign Up. Fill in the required details, sign up, and verify if needed. With this method, you can set up as many Instagram accounts as you need, all from your PC. This is perfect for managing personal profiles, business pages, or any other projects you have in mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.